Hi friends, welcome back to my channel JN Academy. I am Devansh Pathak, and today we are going to start our chapter 3 of class 8 science NCRT, which is synthetic fibers and plastics. Now, in this chapter we are going to talk about what are fibers, different types of plastics, and in this chapter we are going to mainly focus on synthetic fibers. So today we are going to learn about natural and synthetic fibers. So first I'm going to give you a short introduction. The clothes which we wear are made up of different kinds of fabrics. Fabrics are made from very thin fibers. The fibers are obtained from two types of sources: natural or artificial resource. So, first we are going to talk on natural fibers. So the fibers that are obtained from natural resources like plants and animals are known as natural fibers. For example, cotton, wool, silk, jute, etc. As you can see here in this figure, we have some natural fibers such as cotton from a plant, silk from silkworm, hair fibers of different animals, etc. etc. Now, synthetic fibers. So, the fibers that are made by human beings are known as synthetic fibers or man-made fibers or artificial fibers. These synthetic fibers are made from different chemicals. Hence, each kind of synthetic fiber have their own properties. So, all the synthetic fibers are made by using chemicals and different kinds of machinery, and they all have different properties. and 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 today I'm going to teach you about their advantages and disadvantages. Now first, what are synthetic fibers? A synthetic fiber is a chain of small chemical units joined together. Each small unit is called a monomer. So the monomer can be different, and these monomers are small units that when joined they make a fiber, and these fibers are then turned into fabrics, and that fabrics we make clothes and we wear it. A large chain formed by many monomers is called a polymer. Now for example, we have polycot. So polycot is a mixture of poly plus cotton, means it is hybrid version of cotton and it is made from it. So the word polymer comes from two Greek words. Poly means many, mer means parts or units. So a polymer is made up of many repeating units. So as you can see here in this figure, we have a necklace and its beads. You can assume as they are monomers, and these monomers combine to become a necklace or a fiber. So the process of combining the monomers to form a polymer is known as polymerization. Now we are going to talk about types of synthetic fibers. So as I told you that in this chapter we are going to basically talk about synthetic fibers, and in the previous class we have already learned about natural fibers. So in this chapter we are going to talk about four main synthetic fibers: rayon, nylon, polyester, and acrylic. Now first, rayon. Rayon is prepared by chemical treatment of wood pulp. Now, if you are thinking, then why it is an artificial fiber? It is just because the wood pulp is obtained from different chemical treatments and machinery, and due to this, it is an artificial fiber. Although rayon is also known as a substitute of silk, as its properties are similar to that of silk. Although rayon is obtained from a natural resource, yet it is a man-made fiber. So you can have a question from what is the rayon fiber formed. So you can easily write wood pulp. So now there are four properties of it. First, easily dyed and woven into different clothes, is cheaper than silk, lustrous or shiny in appearance, good absorption of sweat. Now we are going to talk about uses of rayon. Rayon is mixed with cotton to make bedsheet and is also mixed with wool to make carpets, which we use at our homes. Next, nylon. In 1931, it was made without using any natural raw material, and this was the first fully synthetic fiber in the world. It was prepared from coal, water, and air. Now, properties of nylon. Why it is used? So, after 1931, the production and demand of nylon increased as nylon was very strong. It could stretch very easily. It was very light in weight. It was lustrous and shiny and is easy to wash. But due to World War II, it is also used in many other ways. Now, uses of nylon. Nylon is used to make parachutes, sleeping bags, car seat belts, toothbrush stands, ropes, socks, ropes for rock climbing, and many others. Now, we are going to talk about polyester. So, polyester is made up of two words. First, poly mean poly means many, and ester is a type of chemical, and here ester is the monomer. As I told you that many units of monomers form a polymer, and here ester is the monomer. Esters are chemicals which give fruits their smell, and the fabrics made from polyester do not easily get wrinkled. Now there are four properties of it. First they do not get any wrinkles, remains crisp, is easy to wash, and dries very quickly. Now uses. So terylene is a popular polyester which can be drawn into very fine fibers and can use in many ways. PET is a form of polyester which is used for making bottles, utensils, fins, wires, and many other useful products. Next, we are going to talk about our last synthetic fiber, which is acrylic. So, acrylic is a synthetic fiber. Due to its wool-like feel, it is also known as a substitute of wool. Now, there are six major properties of it. First, it is resistant to moths and other insects, soft with crisp resembling wool. It is light and durable and is easily washable, strong and stain resistant, and warm and lightweight. And due to this, it is also used for making clothes of babies. Can be dyed in different kinds of colors very easily. Now uses. It is it is used for knitting wool in good for baby as it is soft, warm, and easily washable. Used for making a fur, blankets, carpets, etc. etc. And the transparent type of acrylic is used for car covers, headlights, lenses, surgical equipment, and many other covers. Now, these are some characteristics of all the synthetic fibers, and due to this, the production of synthetic fibers is more than natural fibers. First, they are stronger than natural fibers. Second, they are durable than natural fibers. First, they are Third, they are wrinkle resistant. Fourth, they are very lightweight. They are extremely fine, not attacked by moths, are less expensive than natural fibers, and are readily available as their production is at a very high scale and is easily obtained. Now, there are some disadvantages of it. First, they do not absorb moisture like sweat and trap heat in our body, and due to this, our body gets heat. Second, dangerous near fire as they catch fire easily because they are made up of petrochemicals. They cannot be easily ironed as they melt very easily. So that is all about this topic. Thank you and have a nice day.